Hero's game-changing electric bike. 120 km range and budget-friendly at 75,000 rupees to beat Ola, Activa. Hero, a well-known manufacturer company, has recently launched a new electric bike called Hf Delux Electric Bike. This bike is said to be the best option for customers who are looking for an affordable electric bike. With a range of 240 km on a single charge, this bike offers a cost-effective and eco-friendly alternative to traditional petrol-powered bikes. The starting price of the Hf Delux Electric Bike is only 35,000 rupees. The Hf Delux Electric Bike is known for its innovative features. It comes with a 4 kWh battery pack that can cover a distance of up to 120 km, making your journey pleasant and convenient. The bike also offers extra space on the seat for added comfort. It is available in 3 variants, with the second model having a 6 kWh battery pack capable of covering a distance of 180 km. The third variant comes with an 8 kWh battery pack that can easily cover a distance of 240 km. The battery can be fully charged in just 4 to 5 hours. In addition to its impressive range, the Hf Delux Electric Bike offers various other features. It has a digital speedometer and one-touch self-start for added convenience. The bike is equipped with a noise pollution-free battery and features front light secondary honeycomb and 2 lighting digital indicator backlights in red color. All these features make the Hf Delux Electric Bike an attractive option for customers looking for an electric bike within a budget. The expected price of the bike is around 75,000 rupees. The Hf Delux Electric Bike is expected to be launched in the Indian market soon. The potential price of the bike is around 75,000 rupees, which makes it a much more affordable option compared to other electric bikes in the market. With its range, features, and competitive price, the Hf Delux Electric Bike offers a compelling choice for customers looking to switch to an electric bike.